Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to crop in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to crop in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first and then open any of the existing project that you have or create a new project. Then after that you just simply have to select any of the image or plain background that you want to crop. Then after selecting, select the image which you want to crop. Then after that just simply scroll down to this bottom bar and you will get to see this crop option. Just simply tap into that and then you can crop this image very easily as you want. Then you can also use this crop or any other crop options and the Premiere version, Pro version too. Just simply do this very easy option and your image will successfully be cropped from Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.